I have a new Honda GX630 engine that has a black wire, a black/yellow and 2 gray wires. I'm trying to test the wiring to see how to wire in the ignition switch I bought. I cannot get the coils to fire no matter how I hooked it up. Right now I only have a wire from the battery to the starter and I ran a 12V wire to the black/yellow to turn on the fuel. Then I tried connecting the black wire the 12V with no spark, then to the negative with no spark. I'm jumping the starter to turn the engine over but it will not fire no matter how I hook it up.
Can you guesstimate how old the engine is? And has it done anything like this in the past?
It's new.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Owner's Manual has diagram on page 18. See link below if you do not have manual. http://cdn.powerequipment.honda.com/engine/pdf/manual/00by37z6l6010.pdf.
I have the manual.
Okay.
I do not have the key switch wired in yet because the motor I purchased did not have a key switch on it, and we are making this engine run a hydraulic motor to run a small crane. All I have is the battery wired to the starter and the black/yellow wire coming out of the engine to the positive to turn on the fuel shutoff. I am trying to start it by jumping the starter. It turns over but no spark. I have tried connecting the black wire coming out of the engine to both the negative and the positive to get the coils to fire, but I cannot get it to work either way.
You do not want the voltage to the coils, that will burn them out. The coils in the magnet and the flywheel are all that make the spark.
Okay, I moved the ground to the starter bolt and connected it to the coil wire and it started working. I guess I was not getting a good enough ground. I appreciate the support, and if I need anything in the future I will be sure to use this site. Thanks and have a good night.
Good job. Please use the 5-star rating system to close the question and get me credit.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.